Greetings and welcome to this training video on how to add dedicated domain and agency settings. So first thing first, you have to go to the agency. So this is the view of the agency settings. So we are going to settings under the email services. You will find a dedicated domain here on the right side. This is only applicable if you are ready switch on Lead Connector. So if you are using Melon, it's not going to be working. So this is only going to work for Lead Connector. So let's go click this dedicated domain and then we are going to set up EUT reply under this donut reply CIM Hub Tech, which is the name of the system. So add and verify. So let's see why it's showing verify here. We are going to refresh it. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not verified. So we are going to add all of these records on the DNS settings on the domain. You can find that like using GoDaddy Crazy Domain Hosting or SiteGround, whatever. Where did you host your domain? So you just need to go to the DNS settings. So we are going to go add the first one is text. We are going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and since I already pulled up my DNS settings here under the CIM Hub Deck, we are using a Cloudflare, so I'm going to add the record here. I'm going to type text, then paste the name, and then go back, copy the values. I'm going to add it here and save. So we have added one. So let's do it with other records, same thing, and then going to copy the value, save it, and then we are almost done. See name, and then if you're using Cloudflare, just uncheck this, but if you're not, just ignore this one, save it, and we are almost done. Sorry guys, it's taking so too long to load up. Add a record again, and then we are going to add the final two records, which is the MX, add it again MX, and then I'm going to add 4, which is 10 MX, all right, the last one. So once it's done, we can go ahead, hit verify domain it, and you can see the verified, and that means all good and nothing to worry. So once verified, click that again. Let's do it again, just making sure we are going to just give it a 5 minutes at least, and that's all good. Thanks for listening to this video on how to add dedicated domain and agency settings. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.